the ship that ran aground. Ran aground like a cargo ship, and they never recovered it, so it's stuck there.